Hello and welcome to Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. Welcome to the 58th episode of Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. I welcome all my viewers, whoever is joining in into my live session from the last 58 episodes. Everybody, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Nitin MR, welcome to Let's Get Talking and congratulations, you know for what. Welcome, Let's Get Talking. Melba, welcome. Arun Lobo, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Aaron Fernandez, Smith Aluves, who are joining in. Prasanna, welcome. Coastalvibes.in, welcome. People are, everybody is joining in. And you all know who is the guest of today's episode. It can't get bigger than this. He is the Sonu Nigam of the coastal Karnataka. Everybody calls him the voice that speaks love. Prajot Desa will be joining us soon. He is a 50th episode guest of Let's Get Talking. He will be joining us soon. Pradeep Shetty, welcome. DJ Ash Mangalore, welcome. Jocelyn DiCosta, welcome. Aaron Fernandez, Sean Sandumayar, Heza Pinto, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Pradeep Renchala, namaskara, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Wash and Shine, welcome. Adeline, welcome. Shreya, welcome. Everybody, Lavi1209, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Shreya, namaskar, inshallah. Okay, so let's not waste any time and let's welcome our guest into Let's Get Talking. And this song, which has created history in Konkani music industry, let's welcome Sean Deepak. Welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Hello,
welcome to Let's Get Talking. Welcome. Song start. Okay, song intro maadagala. Song full play karna.
Vicky Paulo.
Sometimes it happens. Vicky Paulo, thodi late Paulo. Nemla rappa Vicky Paulo. Male Vicky Paulo.
Down. So kas pauta munchitle Vicky Paulo.
Vicky Paulo. So welcome Prajot. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. To the 50th episode of Let's Get Talking. Welcome.
Thank you.
So finally, Prajot, Let's Get Talking as Anga Paulo. Finally, Let's Get Talking, and I can say thank you. First of all, I like Let's Get Talking. So, तुझे fans most join तुझे fans मुझे request करनी ना तुझे full fans join होते so तुझा hi hello खानका काले समकाल you can tell it.
Wait, I see some people. Yeah. Hey DJ Ash, hey Alan, hello everyone. Wait, I always wanted to come to last time I always wanted to come. Lockdown upprant offices sajjaile lockdown velaratille kaam sedalle magirella manage korgilla. So we spoke about it. So today I thought today was it's
today is the perfect day
having
yes welcome Prajot. तू का तुझे कहते सुमार प्रज्योत कितना है ना तंगा पे अंगा पे प्रज्योत कितना है सच्चाई में प्रज्योत फर्स्ट कॉल कर ले
लड़ाई मुनी के लगी
या काले प्रज्योत
लड़ाई मुनी के लगी सर लेंगे प्रज्योत
कितना है ना ओके सो यस तू का सकते वेव करते हैं तो हाय म्हणते हैं हेलो गाइस हेलो पूरा तू का हाय हेलो म्हणते हैं Prajot, in Let's Get Talking, in Let's Get Talking, there is no rule. If you are talking something in between, if you want to talk to the comment to the people out there, आराम से बोले. रप्पा राव अंचने बोलो जो तंचगड़. काई टेंशन नहीं. Yes, तुझे show. This is not my show. This is your show.
Perfect. मगर तो starting तंका welcome के लिए खुशी दली. Everybody रप्पा join मुनन.
Everybody रप्पा join. Prajot तो रप्पा join. Okay, so the recently released Prajot, from a singer, right now he's a music director and a composer. Right now, a recently released Mangalavara Rajadina. It's almost crossed 175k views. Atta gottuna. Adon parapadana 175 chillari cross alle. Atta gottuna kitla level. So congratulations on it, on your viral trailer and viral song. Congratulations, Prajot. First of all.
Thank you.
So how was this working in this Mangalavara Rajadina?
Mangalavara Rajadina. So that was a dream project. 2018 and actually it's been 3 years. Yeah, project Suruzam. So I was taking steps in Konkani. My Konkani tille Dilli Karbar Ankeli. Magire always dream asil ki ekat horizon kelar pawana. I thought of exploring another dimension of music, maybe composing. Okay. Back then when I did Woody, I used to not compose. Later, I was only a singer. Then I thought of composing. I learned music production on my own. So then I had a dream to compose music for a movie. So then I had done music for one movie called Amar Prema Kavyam. That movie music.
First,
So
first just music
first,
project.
first Sandalwood debut. So through my friends, I with a short film movie music then down with the contacts built down. I got an offer for this Amar Prema Kavyam. I was not a full-fledged music director to the movie. I just composed 2 songs and I did programming and arrangement for other songs. The movie released now, sadly, but the songs did well. Songs were on top 15 charts in Ghana. Amar Prema Kavyam. So later, music scene in Sandalwood, my entry was a little still. Amar Prema Kavyam was one of the main one of the friends of director Yuvin Mullaso. So then he contacted me and he wanted to see my work. I gave him some Konkani samples and Kannada samples. He came home. I showed him what I have. We just thought of doing some confirm करून घातले की I am the music director. Try केल्या म्हणून हांवें थोडे tunes धाडले and he was impressed. That's how it went. About this song especially Mangala Raja Dina. हे song म्हाका विजय प्रकाश सिंग करता म्हणून गोतून नासले. So ताजे song या movieचे love song पहिले compose झाले. मागीर अनेक song असा sad song, it is still being worked on. मागीर title song येताना last year title song he said that Yogaraj Bhatt will be writing lyrics for title song म्हणून. So I म्हटले okay. I was not confident. आम्ही तांची नाव मात्र ऐकली. We have never worked with them.
Yeah.
That composed a tune and it was more of jazz tune. ನೋಡಲು ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂವಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ರಜೆ ದಿನ ಬಾಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯೋಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಯೋಗರಾಜ್ ಭಟ್ಟ ऑफिस गेले आम्ही. It was a wonderful experience. The way he writes lyrics is people queue out the office. Directors will come, music directors will come with their instruments and stuff. आणि त्याच्या ऑफिसाक एकल्या दिवेचे आणि ट्यून ताका करचे तेंत इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स असल्यार प्ले करचे तेंत ट्यून काय चेंज तेंत सांगता तेंच बरें येता आनी धाडटा. मागीर नेक्स्ट मूवीचे तशें आमी क्यूआर बसता. So we were there and he wrote this song. Then later it was jazzy. He said that ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು. Then I got those lyrics home. Then I turned it into the tune that you hear it now.
Right now the tune completely changed. Right now it is
then programming kartana I did rough programming. Then I sent it to our friend Dolvin. He arranged it. Is amazing with South Indian rhythms and stuff. Then Vanil Vegas, he's always with me when it comes to production of my music. So Amar Prema Kavyam help kella sir. And he did some additional programming. He beautified the song. Then came the singing part. Sing yaar maadudu muntana Vijay Prakash sir hatra ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. So I was very much excited. So last year Bombay gello. So we recorded Vijay Prakash there and the song released. Sadly lockdown over we ani song ache video shoot. So it released now and it's doing well. It's nice to know that.
Right now it is doing very very well. Full viral. तुझे voice चूर clear ना कहीं voice is not clear. Right now it is clear. Viewers. Maka it is properly audible. Maka काही problem ना. So viewers it is audible. काले मकाने तू का कळला तंका कोण काले कशाचा पुरा कळता.
Yeah, somebody says it's clear here, not clear. DJ says not clear. Shama Suman, it's network problem.
Right now it is clear. Right now it is clear, I guess. Ato completely maka clear asa pehile dawani.
Okay.
Clear asa, I guess. Audible. It's clear, audible. Right? Yeah.
Okay. Clear. Okay, I'll just keep this ata clear agi padya. Is it clear now?
Clear. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Right now it is clear.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Okay. You are from Sandalwood industry. There is right now. You've also worked with Bollywood music director Salim Sulaiman, the duo Salim Sulaiman, Man Mein Aman, for the song Man Mein Aman. So how was this working for them?
Yeah, it came all of a sudden. Through Vanil, I got introduced to Ricky Cage, the Grammy winner. ताचे संगत I've worked on a lot of projects together. Jingles जाऊन दी. We have done a lot of NGO songs आणि so we work together and I'm fortunate to be working under him and in his team. So then suddenly I get a call in the month of September, I guess. Yeah. Suddenly Prajot, Ricky call can sang like Prajot, I've sent you a song and you need to arrange some backing work and I want you to. And Salim has sent you. I was Kunso Salim sir. Salim Merchant. We have Salim Merchant on this song. So I was like, oh. So then song that like I ऐकताना मस्त खुशी झाली and I arrange. Usually कसे जाता म्हणलं आम्ही arrange करन दट्टा आणि ते कालेपुरा जाय काढतात गलतात तसे but here I got to know that Salim liked whatever I have arranged and he's kept all of it. आम्ही arrange केलं पुरं.
काय म्हणणार एक big tutor. Everything is there. Yeah, Prajot.
Wait, so that was one very happy moment. Pura aikatana खुशी झाली. Final product aikatana, it was all there. Whatever कालेपुरा arrange केलं आम्ही packing पूरा.
So finally, Bollywood Amansari have reached till Bollywood also. A big kudos to you and big congratulations. I think Bollywood music directors on. Shines I wish that you shine as a singer and plus as a director. Okay, Prajot, there are lots of starting comments like ek song sumar comments hai. So can we have one song? Prajot that ek song na maga marunga. Aap ek song sing karu na.
Sure.
Okay. So let's go with the song. Request kinda. There is one song is Saral. So you can go with any number.
कीबोर्ड ऐकता की थंड वारे वळताना के सांग तुझ्या रसमाची ती सुभाय सूर्या की फांगताना मुखा मोळा राजा बोरी परजळाय मणकुले तुझे डोळे मोतियाळे तुझे पोले घडीयेन मका पिशार घालून गेले तुझो मोग मका झाला तुझो मोग मका झाला Oh baby, I'm all yours. ಪ್ರೀತಿಲಿ ಕಳೆದೋದೆನಾ ಆನಿಯೋ ಹೇವತಾ ಓಹ್ ಹೇ
beautiful duka live icon je ye song specially ye icon like it like still fresh song. It's composed 7 years back. Till it is fresh. And it's sakkad your voice uzo voice. This song is my favorite. So everybody is telling, okay, wow, super voice. I love that song. Mo Paulomka. And hearts borom देतात. तर आता कालांगी म्हणणार हे सेशन आपले आम्ही चॅट सेशनच्या बदला म्युझिकल सेशन करूया घेऊन तिथलं मोग येत्या Okay, quickly before next song is Sanjay Vidara मुझे रप्पा एक question है सर. Fifth artist allowed music awards and you won the best male singer in that award section. Best male singer award, Prajot got it. So for your song Wada Karo, feat Adil Nadif got it. So how was this getting that award, 5th allowed music awards, plus again receiving it from Sulaiman sir?
Correct, yeah. That's why Adil Nadaf, he is one of my friends and long back 2010-11 आता उन्होंने तुम्हारे जेवढ लोक असेल we were doing a lot of work online आणि वादा करो online आता मी काम केलंय. So we had hard that आणि आम्ही पहिला मिळले कव्हर्स करतले मागीर we did some songs for schools, jingles and stuff. So then he came up with this original song called Wada Karo. He had done one song called Aap Aasa also. And Wada himself composes, he writes songs. He's a music director in Sandalwood too. He has a studio and he handles mixing, mastering. He's a sound engineer here. So ताणे ताजो song केले आमी and he asked me to sing it. Then just like that we came across this platform called Artist Allowed. And Artist Allowed is the only, was at least, now I am not aware, but it was only one platform for independent non-filmy music in India. And it's by it's an Hangama's initiative. तशें so we just sent it through them for releasing it on digital platforms, and then we came to know about Artist Allowed Music Awards, and we contacted them. तांकां विचारलें अशें करियत की आमी we want to send an entry म्हणून. So we sent an entry, and तांचे jury असतात आनी shortlist करतात पहिले before any song is able to be nominated. So our song was shortlisted in best male singer and best song category. So it was a wonderful thing, and then there were voting rounds and stuff. So later there was a jury selection also after the voting. Then we went to Bombay. Then या पहिले आमकां I think आमी मेळ्ळ्यात पहिले तेंत थंय वचून
ताजे पहिले पूर ऑनलाइन काय जालें तरी ऑनलाइन
थंय वचून मेळ्ळें आनी मध्यराती म्हणसर सुलेमान मर्चेंट आनी मस्त लायव्ह परफॉर्मन्सेस आसली थंय तांचे अवॉर्ड फंक्शनांत. ब्लू फ्रॉग म्हणल्यार रब्बी शर्गिल, सनम तांचे बँड आनी परफॉर्म करतना मस्त खुशी जाताली. एंड देन देयर वॉज दिस अवॉर्ड सेरेमनी एंड सुलेमान मर्चेंट आनी आमचें नाव अनाउन्स करतना मस्त खुशी जाली फॉर बेस्ट सॉंग एंड बेस्ट मेल सिंगर. सो इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपिरियन्स.
वंडरफुल एक्सपिरियन्स, वंडरफुल. आता उतरतना सांगलें ना तुका, लायक हांवें क्वेश्चन विचारचे पयलीं हांगा कॉमेंट्स येवन जाले. एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग एक सॉंग जाय, एक सॉंग जाय, एक सॉंग जाय. एक सॉंग येता, वेट खाली आनी 1 minute आनी एक सॉंग, another 1 minute another एक सॉंग. वोलिटा इज टेलिंग हाय टू यू, हेरा इज टेलिंग मोग जाला काय, हेरा मोग जाला काय, हेरा पिंटसन मोग जाला. Okay, award ceremony जे विषय बोलले ना, I got to know one more thing. You also won the Kaima Award for the best short film Karambo Kaima Award, Karnataka International Music Award. You got it. So how was this getting this award, composing a song for a short movie in Kannada? That was your first short movie, I guess, in Kannada. Sandalwood Apais was the first short movie. Yeah. So getting that award, doing music for that thing, an award for the first project itself.
Right. In fact, that was the short film. That was the project that made music director and composer. ताचे पहिले खाली सिंगर जावन आसलो आनी देवर ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स दीपक राज आनी प्रवीण म्हणून जे आमच्या गांवचे बँगलोर म्हाका मेळिल्ले ते हांवें रावच्या पीजींत. सो तांणी सांगलें म्हणजे शॉर्ट फिल्म मालचो धरला म्युझिक मालपा यान सिंगर मारे म्युझिक मालपेरे बरोबर हेजी तुला मालपला मागीर दॅट्स वेर दॅट बिगन. थंय हांवें I started exploring composing horizon, music production horizon तशें. कारेंबोचे शॉर्ट फिल्माचे म्युझिक जाले एंड कायमा अवॉर्ड्स KIM ताका आमी ताका डायरेक्टरान हें धाडले एंट्रीज धाडले आनी सरप्रायझिंगली तातूंय आमचें नॉमिनेशन आयलें. तातूंय वोटींग राउंड आसले, ज्युरी राउंड्स आसले आनी थंय वचून पळयतना 3 कॅटेगरीत बेस्ट सिंगर, बेस्ट कंपोजर आनी बेस्ट बॅकग्राउंड स्कोर 3 कॅटेगरी नॉमिनेट जाल्ले म्हजे. सो हांवें चिंतलें एटलिस्ट सिंगर म्हणून मेळ्ळात बट म्युझिकान मेळचे ना, बट मेळ्ळें म्युझिकान.
Best BGM available.
And that movie was kind of a thriller, and it was fun to score music for that short film. So the genres bare jatat, and I received it from Sangeeta Bhatt, and Sangeeta Bhatt tine award dile. So that was another milestone, and that pushed me to explore more on the music direction front.
So from Kaima Awards, Sata project Sandalwood composer that from a singer to a composer. Okay, आता हांव आनी काय सांगना येते उदरताना एकच song only song जाय म्हण आनी now your section. आनी how we will learn. Okay,
खंयची song
anyone if you feel like Hindi, Tulu request आसा, Hindi request आसा, most request आसा, comments वयर पळयल्यार most request आसा वयर.
बातें कुछ अनकही सी, कुछ अनसुनी सी होने लगी, काबू दिल पे रहा ना, हस्ती हमारी होने लगी. वो 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 शायद यही है प्यार, बातें कुछ अनकही सी, कुछ अनसुनी सी होने लगी है ये काबू दिल पे रहा ना, हस्ती हमारी होने लगी। वो 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 शायद यही है प्यार, शायद यही है प्यार।
Yeah, superb, superb, superb. काय कॉमेंट काय सांगायचे म्हणत ना सॉंग झालं पण सॉंग झालं पण सांगतात नाही प्रज्वल सुपर काय सांगायचं म्हणत ती ऍज इट इज सुपर सुपर ओके प्रज्वल तुला होतं सांगलं नाही आता कितलं आज ते येतात आणि एक मिनिट ते राहतं त्यामुळे 1 मिनिट बॅक असताना इन्स्टा आणि 1 मिनिट ते असतात आज
कमेंट केलं, थँक्यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लव.
Magical as always. You are magical as yes. That's perfectly magical as always. Love songs, board ini. Love songs say avandru ini. Okay. So Prajot,
pura love song.
Okay. Okay. So in my Let's Get Talking, I have my certain rounds like rapid fire, choose round, and never have error. So quickly let me do my rapid fire round in between. In between we'll talk rapid fire more than the song pura kare. Okay. So my first question in rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay. Name one person whom you can call at any time in the night at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 a.m., 2 o'clock, but he will pick the call. Kitala call pick karta. Name that one person.
Mustana actually.
Okay.
Almost all my friends, they're all very kind. Kitala call kare de tough answer guru. Mukarya.
Okay, so tough. Okay, no problem. Okay. Ashwin Dikka is sending hearts to you. Ashwin Vanil Vegas is telling. Vanil Vegas is also joined.
Yeah.
Vanil's
Triple A singer.
Okay. Okay. Next question. My next question. Which is your favorite music composition till now, according to you? Your composition, actually, which is your favorite?
Mine. I like Amara Prema Kavyam, actually.
Okay. So you like that?
Yeah, that's one of.
Oh, your favorite is Amara Prema. Okay. Next question.
Yeah.
Okay. So next question. Who is your favorite music composer? I'll give you options. Vishal Shekhar, Salim Sulaiman, A.R. Rahman. Salim Sulaiman. Okay, done. Okay. Which are the 3 apps that you use the most in your phone?
WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. I don't use WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Telegram I use.
WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Okay, done. Okay. Who is a better singer? I'll give you 2 options. Who is a better singer? You have to choose in that. Okay. Lionel Sequeira, Ashwin D'Costa.
Oh, tu marca vete deva. Camera. Yeah.
Okay. What? Camera. Right. Yeah. Proper. It's proper now. Okay. No problem.
Sequeira, Ashwin D'Costa. Oh, deva. Doki bare aaj.
Lionel Sequeira, Ashwin D'Costa.
Ashwin D'Costa is more chocolatey.
Okay.
Kartana chocolate kalle bari.
So Ashwin D'Costa, yeah? As for your okay, Ashwin D'Costa. Okay. Who is a better music composer according to you?
Okay.
Dalvin Koralgiri, Roshan Krasta.
Okay. Duka kalle seva. They're both amazing because yeah, rapid fire under naan karile gille lamb sangeet lambule itne.
Na lamb rapid fire mana rapid करे काय टेन्शन ना.
Okay, त्यामुळे रोशन क्रास्ता आणि डॉल्विन दोघी जण म्हाका मुस्तू लागशिले. डॉल्विन आणि म्हज्या संगीत पॉयंटांत जायतो सहकार दिला. तूय जाणा नशीब म्हणल्या अल्बमांत मी सांगता ताजे पयले जेजू तुमचे कळलं त्या सॉंगांत आय स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विथ डॉल्विन अँड ही हॅज गिवन मी अमेझिंग कॉम्पोजिशन स्पेशली हेणे तेणे पळयतना ताजे तले कॉम्पोजिशन्स जर अमेझिंग. आणि रोशन क्रास्ता उडी उडी इज ऑल रोशन क्रास्तास अँड ही हॅज गिवन compositions to produce. So both are amazingly equally amazing.
So I will point 20%. 5.0001%.
जी पूरा आई करेक्ट आई अंट
Okay. Fine, I'll give you like free hand, no problem. Okay, 50%. Now, otherwise I don't allow. 50.01% money is there. When he has to full free. Okay. Next question.
तो काही बाकी सुकरून कष्ट
Okay. They correct. Bagi sugurum kast. Okay. December 5 party board. December 5 party board.
ಎಂಚಿನ December 5
December 5 party board. I don't know what is there. December 5. Okay. Okay. Next. What
Playing
is your favorite? You are playing completely safe person.
काय करून जाईना.
Okay. Which is the best song? Your best song from 90s. Your best song.
My best song from 90s. Yeah. Lucky Ali songs.
Lucky Ali songs. Okay. Date miss and lol. Yes, December 6th or December 5 and date miss and clearly. Okay. Okay. Next question. Name a place that starts with letter W.
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Correct. Done. Okay. I will give you like 3, 4, 5 singers name. Okay. Singers name. You have to rate from how good they are from top to bottom. Okay. You have to rate them. Okay. First, Atif Aslam, Arijit Singh, Vishal Dadlani, Sonu Nigam. Atif Aslam, Arijit Singh, Vishal Dadlani, Sonu Nigam.
Arijit Singh.
Okay.
Sonu Nigam.
Okay.
Vishal Dadlani.
Atif Aslam.
Atif Aslam.
Right. Okay, done. So, Prajat is Arijit, Sonu, Vishal, Atif Aslam. Okay, done. Joy Laturel, the Google of Company Music, he has checked it and is telling, hi, Prajat.
Well.
Prajat age आज काले यहाँ आले काले मूर्त आले Joy Latur मुझे live आ गया नाला Joy Latur live वरती सोंगोत दिसा ना आज Prajat आई लगे Joy Latur live अंदर. Okay. Okay, so before I move into my next round, comments can we have like one more number from you? One more number from you.
So I'll go with the Musana comments Maka Mogzala. So
yeah,
we'll talk about that back to life later. So this song was composed by Royston Pinto and written by him. Music by the amazing Roche Fernandez. He's here, and it was wonderfully mixed by Vanil Vegas. एक सोपान आजनी झाला काळजा उडीक तळपोडाशे संगीत गाजोंक लागला ए ज्ञान तुझ्या उपकूण मुजी ना पयसाल्या आनान मुझ्या रंगा खेळ प्रारंभ झाला माका मोग साला माका मोग साला माका मोग साला.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, फिदा आम्ही पुरा नाही. अश्विनी म्हणते असं स्माइल क्वीन ॲश म्हणते फिदा आम्ही पुरा नाही. फिदा okay, फिदा म्हणताना कळलं कितले हार्ट्स येतात डबा. Okay, everybody hearts is coming. Okay, Mevina Pinto, welcome. Ashwinaचे हार्ट येईल. Okay. Okay, Royston is here. Yes. Finally, Royston is also here. So welcome Royston to Let's Get Talking. आणि की बाकी उरलं डीजे मवेन. ओके, बाकी उरलं लाईव्हची सेशन मग. ओके, राईट. ओके, कंपोजर यायलो. करेक्ट, कंपोजर यायलो. ओके, दुसरी पुरा बंद झाली गेलाय भाई. दुसरी पुरा लाईव्ह झाली म्हणजे माता असा. Okay, Prajot, talking about back to life, let's talk about this back to life here itself. Back to life. However, Maka Mogzala song, you people started with Back to Life, BTL. You and Royston and Ashwin collaborating together. तुम्ही स्टार्ट केले. Then you went on to do the originals. दोन originals तुम्ही काढली. 2 originals. Okay. Can you hear me? ऐका था प्रज्योत? प्रज्योत ऐका था? प्रज्योत ऐका था? Hello.
वॉइस ब्रेक जाता मुझे
मका actually clear असा.
ऐका था
Clear
ब्रेक
असा
जाता एक मिनिट.
आता clear असा.
Is it my internet?
Clear असा. I don't know. My internet, I don't know what is my internet
Wait.
issues.
Okay.
Clear असा क्या था? Clear असा की प्रज्योत?
Okay. How's it for the audience? दोन्ही ऐका था.
प्रज्योत clear असा की? मका clear असा.
आता
clear असा की?
wait.
Clear असा ने? Okay, done.
Wait.
Okay,
मका clear.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, back to life. आणि तुम्ही originals create केले. मका मोग जरा पण फांदे झाले released. Okay, you along with Rose Fernandez plus collaborating with Royston and Ashu. So in this back to life, तुम्ही काल originals create केले नी. You even give chance to youngsters or the upcoming talents coming up. So how was this plan like actually originated? Like आम्ही तांका chance देजे आमचे originals करच्या की सर तांका आम्ही push करे जेवण तुम्ही एक platform काढले. So how this plan all started?
Sure. Yeah. Vivek Sikar is here. Hello, Vivek. I admire your work. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. So about back to life. आम्ही lockdown अश्विन आणि रॉयस्टन एक दिवस आम्ही कॉन्फरन्स कॉल केले. अशंत उलोंग कॉल केला काल चलत्या कोणाचे काम कसे चलता म्हणून बोले जाना. then suddenly Royston came up with an idea incha malpugana. Idea was a little big but काले करचे म्हणून कळलं नसले. We wanted to do something but didn't know what to do.
Okay.
Royston came up with the name. Back to life. Everybody's life has become monotonous. घरा भीतर बसतात. So let's give it a name called Back to Life म्हणून now. परत जीवितात म्हणून तसे. So मागे Back to Life म्हणून मी सिलेक्ट चूज केलंय. We did a logo for it आणि पेज क्रिएट केली. But मागे खर्च घाले म्हणून कळलो ना. So what exactly? We wanted to do something, how to streamline our thoughts. That was vague. Then we thought of doing a contest. घरा बसल्या आणि everybody can join in. So we initiated a Konkani cover contest. So तशें जालें. Then we thought of doing some originals, Back to Life originals म्हणून एक सुरू करूया म्हणून. Since we have the singers, मी Royston compose करता, we have musician friends in our circles, so why not म्हणून. So Maka Mokzala happened like that. Maka Mokzala is and Fante Zale also happened like that. Maka Mokzala was sung by me, Fante Zale was sung by Eclair's boy Ashwin. So both these songs are. Then we tried another approach. So we all know that CD drives पहिले आमचे अंतू असले घरा असतले CD players. CD घरांतले वसोनो लॅपटॉप साकायले. लॅपटॉप साठी आता CD drives ना आता कारांत मात्र सुरू झाले. बट आताच्या कारांत CD drive ना. So CD हाडल्यार घालूंक जागो ना आता. So yeah. So we thought why not try digital platforms म्हणून. So आम्ही Back to Life since it's our own work आणि we are the producers. We can experiment म्हणून आम्ही digital platforms सुरू केले and it was good. आणखी used to जायचे लोकांनी आता as of now we see that only YouTube is working well. Digital platforms आणखी pick up जाऊनात. But other places maybe Sandalwood, Bollywood आणि पुरा digital platforms चलतात. But that one aspect I still want to bring it into Konkani आणखी ते practice streaming करची songs. त्याला producers आणखी actually revenue मिळता in that case.
Correct.
So
आता Bluetooth आणि pen
हा
Ash म्हणते आता Bluetooth आणि pen drive मात घे आता.
वय तका streaming platforms आम्ही तकाच की you don't get a physical file but then we want to release the songs in YouTube. ताजे पहिले the place where we lack is video. So video तरी दोन्ही पदार्थ रिलीज जाऊन YouTube वर व्हिडिओ करून आमका टाइम मिळना आता आणि रिसोर्सेस पळेचे पडटा. So we are aiming at releasing both the songs on YouTube with a video. Maka Mokzala and Fante Zale. Also we have our third song which is very interesting. Porbu म्हणून आम्ही त्याचे टीजर गेले. सुमाजनने मेसेज गेले पोरबू बोलूंटू म्हणून पोरबू टीजर गेले तुम्ही म्हणून पोरबू नितला म्हणून आता पोरबू उठवून. So we wanted to do, we had a, unique thought where we wanted to collect all the Porbus from all over the world. So we're planning to release a video for Porbu 2. If that does not work out, we will release a lyrical video. I'm sure that song will be loved by all. Right. So
we're waiting for that release. Soon release. We're waiting for the third.
Vanil has the project file for Porbu आणि तो राखो ना सर तुमचे केदाला रिलीज जाता
ये दीपिनी हार्ड ड्राइव साक आपण हार्ड ड्राइव फाइल दीपिनी ये दीपिनी Porbu deleted. Okay. Okay. So quickly after Back to Life जाते असा थर्ड सॉन्ग येऊन दी त्याच्यानंतर आणि दोन तीन सॉन्ग येऊन की that it will get like streaming platforms use करतात करणार it's not but it has reached people. Maka Mokzala has reached people, Fandezala has reached people, and soon those platforms will soon come in Konkani. Konkani, the platforms Zata, like you people, and I know that you are the one in Konkani. You are the one who used the streaming platform first. First, you are the one who used to upload your song in while the Woody Woody came. You uploaded it, I guess.
It was the first. Yeah, first Mangalore and Konkani album to be on Apple Music and stuff. Yeah, 2000.
Yeah, correct. 2013, I guess. 2013, 14. It was. Yeah. So hope so. Streaming apps, Konkani the familiar that complete familiar that.
Right.
Okay. So quickly, I'll move on to my next round. It is like I'll give you a word. What comes to your mind when you hear that word? That's it.
Okay.
Whatever strikes. Kale ailere undi. Nangu samadhu idete.
Okay.
Okay. First one, Woody Woody.
Dream.
Dream. Okay. Mangalavara raja dina.
Success.
Success. Okay. Tuzo mog magazala.
A benchmark, I can say.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Love marriage.
It's common.
Common. Okay. Okay. Software engineer. Software engineer.
Me.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Konkani. Appu Shetty. And why is it Appu Shetty, Ram?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. So Konkani. Last one is Konkani. What comes to mind when you hear Konkani?
Konkani is mother tongue. So.
Mother tongue. Okay. Okay. I will give you, like, I'll say your name. You have to describe them in 2-3 words. Okay. I'll say your name. You have to describe them in 2-3 words. Okay. First name is Royson Pinto.
Okay. He's cool.
Cool.
Very
Okay.
Very cool.
Very
Yeah. Super talented.
Okay.
Porbu.
Okay. Done. Okay. You can 1, 2, 3. Kitle. 1 is the 2 is the 3 words. You can describe them. Okay. Next one. Vanil Vegas.
Okay. Professional.
Okay.
Is amazing human being.
Okay.
And the sound expert.
The sound expert.
He knows what a sound should sound like.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Next, Ashwin DeCosta.
Munch, eclairs, Milky Bar.
Perfect description. Okay, done. Yeah, description. Extra gift hamper. Let's get extra gift hamper.
Chocolate and dita.
Okay. Gift hamper. Let's get talking about gift hamper special. Okay. Okay. Marvin Dattu, Sarika song board, a single man sing Malpuji, R sing Malpuno, R sing. Okay. Our next song 100%. Undu song in a song round. Next is the song round. In this song round, he will only sing. Okay. This the song round is. Okay. I'll give you a situation. You have to sing what song comes to your mind when you hear that situation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. First situation is. If you woke up in the morning and find yourself that your head is bald, completely bald, you're bald completely.
देवा मुझे, तो मुझे future सांगती है कि?
Just imagination. This is the imagination world. This is not a real world. Imagination world. Okay.
ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಥೆ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಥೆ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಥೆ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಥೆ
ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಆಗದು. Next question. If you get stuck in the lift with Arnab Goswami.
अयो देवा, तू मस्त उलयताने.
तो favorite, Shakna's a favorite. The nation wants to know the
ताका
favorites.
ताका इल्लो वेळ वोगेत रावंक सांगता, and I will sing खामोशियां मेरी खामोशियां खामोशियां लिपटी हुई खामोशियां.
Taka heart attack होता है ये song ऐकतो ना यार पूरे पास ते like तो इतना लगा नहीं कितना ना. Okay, Vanil Vega सांगते who lets the dogs out के. Okay, okay. Then next question is next situation is if you get the best male singer award in Bollywood.
Oh.
Project category nominated and winner in best male singer.
I wish. I would. That would be at the top of the world. Maybe 7 Up song I can like. I feel up,
Yeah.
up. I feel up, up, up. I feel up. I feel up. Yeah, I would sing that.
Okay, that. Okay. Next song round zale. Prajot, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Okay, that. Okay. Actually, next question is my next question.
I can like it. Network
Prajot,
issue.
I can.
Should I check the data?
Hello.
1 minute.
I
Your
can.
voice is breaking. Wait.
Right now. I think I can.
Is that my Wi-Fi or yeah?
I don't know whether it's my Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi.
Wait.
हमको तो आम्ही clear असता. Will be both clear for us. Okay. Hashtag I कथा काही. Okay. By chance.
Wait. Clear.
Okay. Clear असा ना. तू काही clear असा. Okay. Done. Okay. I will give you a movie name. Project. I'll give you a movie name. You have to convert that into Tulu, Kannada, or Konkani. Any language. Kashe duka dato tash. Okay. You have to convert that. Convert that movie name into Tulu, Kannada, Konkani. Any language. First one. Batti Gul Meter Chalu.
Batti Gul Meter Chalu. Light band meter suru.
Meter suru. Okay. Konkani sula wale. Okay. Next. एक हसीना थी एक दीवाना था.
ಒಂಜಿ ಪೊಂಡಿತ್ತಲು ಒಂಜಿ ಮರಲೆತ್ತೆ.
ಒಂಜಿ ಪೊಂಡಿತ್ತು ಒಂಜಿ ಮರಲೆತ್ತೆ. Okay. Okay. So, Prajat, kind of okay. Before I move into my next round, but there is one more round going on. Let's can have one more from your end, one song from your end. Can you hear me, Prajat? I got that.
One more song.
Yeah, I got that.
I got that. Video yellow break zata.
Okay, I don't know whether it is
my
end. I got that. Okay. So one more request, one more song from your end, one more song.
ಒಂಜಿ ಪೊಂಡಿತ್ತು ಒಂಜಿ ಬುಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ.
ताका comments करचे भारी खुशी DJ आशा. यार 58 episode 58 comments करतो तो काय टेंशन.
Purchasing that is any song, any suggestions?
Any suggestions? Okay, suggestions. Yes. Sing one mate. Yes. Sing one. No problem, brother.
Tu ka ken nai pole na khai sarso du haune na ken nai le gonu long na talo go tuzo संगीत kanar tuje bagar सुशेग ना मोना कित्या कशें दोस्ताय तूं म्हूण कळना तुका केन्नाय पळोवं ना खंयसर सोदूं हांव नेडा
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. It was wonderful, wonderful. Suggestion song remove the suggestion style. That
Full song.
okay, visual.
Vishwasimog. Yeah, Vishwasimog. Recently, I put it on streaming platforms.
Yeah,
In
visual.
2017. So, yeah, the song Portam streaming agal and YouTuber yasa. You should check out that song. It
Yes,
was
okay. Next round, I will go to my next round. Okay, quickly. Choose round. Two option barpe only choose matna. Avu ata undu. Ata
oh,
vishate. Avu
okay.
ata undu. Okay.
Sorry.
First one is keyboard or guitar.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Okay. Okay. तुझो मोग म्हाका जाला or उडी उडी song. तुझो मोग म्हाका जाला or उडी उडी.
तुझो मोग म्हाका जाला.
तुझो मोग म्हाका जाला. Okay. कोरी रोटी or कोरी सुक्का.
Kori roti.
Kory rotti. Okay. Chicken or pork.
Pork.
Pork. Okay. Israel or London.
Oh, both were amazing. Very buri asli. And the people there, especially, amka upon welling the organizers at both the places, Israel and London. London recently, the memories are very fresh, and people were so lovely. Both the places equally good.
So 50.001% voting bookno.
Oh, and a corode, na? I'd say yeah. London.
London. Okay. Next. What would be worse? I'll give you option. What would be worse? Stuck in traffic or slow internet connection?
Stuck in traffic is more frustrating.
Frustrating. Okay.
Bangalore ravunu traffic mantana rageta.
Okay. Vada pav or goli bhaji?
Goli bhaji.
Goli bhaji. Okay. Vada sambar or masala dosa?
Masala dosa.
Masala dosa. Amazon or Netflix?
Netflix.
Netflix. Okay. Tannir Bavi beach or Panambur beach?
Tannir Bavi.
Tannir Bavi beach. Okay. Lyrics or tune?
Tune.
Singing or composing? Project the singer or Project the composer?
Project the singer.
Project the singer. Okay. Netflix free ke? Netflix free.
तो Allah
Okay, DJ Ashi sir, the JD and PR game. I the question I include the corona, the DJ Ash and include. I include corona, JD or PR game. Took like Project have option to answer it or in just 5 months. Problem is.
Bindu Pira.
Okay, I to Pira. Okay, done. Udi Udi, the album which released in 2013. Udi Udi. Tuzo Mog Magazala broke records after records. Udi Udi, the album, 10 songs out of 10, 10 out of 10. Pura. It was a blockbuster. So, Tacha Poile, from 2008, 9, 10, used to sing for numerous numbers of albums and you gave the romantic touch in Konkani. So, Soru Nigam of Coastal Karnataka was your tagline. So, how was the journey composing Udi Udi from a singer to getting to do an album? How was that?
Yeah, like I said, after, even during Udi Udi, I was not a composer. Udi Udi maybe mode kai song changes and tweaks of the songs matra kelle. But otherwise, till Udi Udi, I was just a singer. And like you said, before Udi Udi, 2010, my journey started in Konkani albums. And it began with Nazuk Nayanani from the album Youth. Then a devotional song. And then I was fortunate to get nice romantic songs. And I was fortunate to render them. And luckily, the people loved the songs. And I have sung a lot of devotional songs too. And like I said, like I always say, the story behind Udi Udi was totally, it came like a dream. It came like a breezy dream and just happened. रोशन कसता तो इस्रायल आसलो त्याला. सो अगेन उडी जस्ट लाईक वादा करोचे सांगले बरी उडी उडी वॉज कम्प्लिटली ऑनलाईन. आणि वनील वेगसाक हांव एंटायर प्रोसेसान एकच पुटी मेळिल्लो फर्स्ट आल्बम स्टार्ट करताना. मागीर आमी मेळ्ळे आल्बम रिलीज जाले उपरांत इयर. सो आणि रोशन प्रस्ता आणि हांव मेळोंकूच ना. ताका मेळ्ळे आमी तो इस्रायल तो पार्टी येवन आनी 2 वर्सां उपरांत. So the lyricist Lloyd Rego on the entire album was done on WeTransfer and Google Drive. So Roshan told me that he has a set of tunes and do you want to do an album? So I was scared. I'm kali sing karnallo veche studio ko veche sing karche yunche titlan gottalle maga. And producing an album is not easy. Taje patlana title tensions asat and I was working. Now jala Kodial काम करना सलो Invenja Technologies and so taka आम्ही सांगले म्हाका गोतून जाय sponsors आणि what to do. I don't know how to produce. So he told me he will guide me and मागे then he introduced me to वनील वेगस आउट ताजे पहिले काम केला मी जेसो तू म्हाका जाय अल्बमांत. ताजे उपरांत या अल्बमांत they both तांणी बरे सपोर्ट केले म्हाका. They told me how to go ahead, how to approach the lyrics of a song आणि कशें प्रोड्यूस करचें बरें म्हणून. Because they were already experienced आणि मस्ती म्हणून अल्बम काडलो. So that's was मागीर दीस वेता वेताना I got into the process and easy झाले म्हाका. So and album release we worked a lot on the songs. 8 songs already आसले and then we had to revamp all the songs. वनील कितो दुसरे versions करना आसलो सॉंगाचे वनील जावन उडी उडी टायटल सॉंगाचे जाल्यार मस्त वर्जन्स जाल्ले म्युझिक तो चेंज करन तालो. तो जो म्हाका जालाचे तशें ताजे इंट्रो परत दुसऱ्यांत आसले. अल्बम लास्ट स्टेजाक येता म्हणसर there was work done and yeah, we also included a classical song from Jyoti Venkatraman called Parat Parat. So those are all experiments done. And that's how it was. And once the album released, it was fascinating to see the response.
Yeah, and it broke all the records. This almost sales records he break kele. The doll song hit the record. He got it. Totally. Kongani industry the record break karum Prajot singing on after he produced an album. Woody, it has break and that Tuzo Mok Magadala beginning and the song 13 it is like a fresh music and a fresh voice every time we hear that. So Woody 2, it's coming soon it seems. Dali Matu kelta untu barta untu. Woody yaವಾಗ release ಆಗ್ತದೆ the nation wants to know.
Right, the nation wants to know 2015 आता ನಾವು सांगून ಅಂತ ಸಾಗಿ soon येता soon. पंचवार्षिक योग 5 वर्ष झाली.
Okay.
That's problem. So आम्ही सुरू केलं एक पुढे 2018 अंत आम्ही फुल स्विंगर असल्या वनील. सो एकांत महिन्यात फिनिश करचे बरी आले अल्बम ऑलमोस्ट. मागीर पुरतून एक पुढे ब्रेक आयलो इल्ली आळसाय सुरू झाली तशें आता जात्या वर्क जात्या आम्ही एक सॉंग करचे इल्ले नाका म्हणून सायडीर धरचे पुरतून करचे. आता वनील जेन्ना तो पुरो प्रोजेक्ट ताजे कडेन रास पडला तुका.
आता म्हणताय ना डिस्क दीद आयता बड्डी इतात ना डिस्क ने बड्डी इतात
इताने फोल्डर्स अपडेट करते राहते 2015 फोल्डर नाव
अपडेट केलं नाही मी
फोल्डरचे नाव कैसा.
Okay, so that was yeah Prajot
ते कितले मुखार वता पळय जेता. आणि ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग इज दॅट आम्ही ते सॉंग करताना the benchmark that Woody has had set. So ते स्कोप करचे म्हणटा ना आपल्या ते काय म्हणतात क्रॉस करचे ताजे की बरें दिजे म्हणून एक हे असताना इट्स व्हेरी हार्ड टू फायनलाइज एनीथिंग. तर बारीक कशें विल दिस वर्क म्हणून तेंत असता म्हणटान. सो that's one of the reasons not able to get the momentum.
Yeah, correct. The pressure it is that already 1 billion pressure is there. Woody 2 has to be better than Woody. So fingers crossed. And I know it will come like you, Vanil, everyone together. Woody Chucky, better Woody together. So all the best for that. Crown Prince is asking, any scope for Konkani rap in the album? Crown Prince.
Yeah. Album पंचवार्षिक जाऊन आता एक दशक झाला. So lot of experiments to be done. So I'm sure there will be. Yeah.
That.
Okay. And so wonderful job bringing Konkani rap. Good job.
Yeah, correct. Okay, quickly, after this Woody Woody, there is one more thing which you have done it for the first time in Karnataka, I guess. According to me, it is you who have done first time in Karnataka composing an a cappella. A cappella to a, like you have done it, and you are the first person in Karnataka. Is it right or wrong? I don't know, but I think so. You are the first person to do a
Yeah.
cappella.
Wait, in fact, तेदला all over India अंत मस्त उन्हे artists असले who
Yeah,
recorded an a cappella. Maka I used to see videos from Pentatonics ni Alavardi mano itlo Arab allo. Magir
okay,
DJ Chris from Pangla Shankarpura. So thane
yeah,
maka had given me a push. Why don't you try a cappellas? So tedala I
yeah,
just thought of trying it, and it was nice. I liked the concept, and without the use of instruments. And wait, I think I experimented it, and it was nice for me. It was satisfying. And then Roshan Balmana's album, and it was first Konkani. It was the first Konkani a cappella that was recorded. Magir Roshan Pinto's album, and it was the first Konkani original a cappella. So,
yeah.
so that was
So
what.
Rajat has many milestones which has done first. Pura first के लिए milestone मस्त प्रयोग था जनावर तो okay. So आने की first करचे आने की milestone ये होती तो जनावर. Okay. So next round is my never have I ever round. मोदे never have I ever round. పొన్ను ಒಂದಿ song ಪಂಡ್ಲೆ ಸರ್ ಉದೋಲ್ದ್ರ ಒಂದಿ song ಪಂಡ್ಲೆ ಸರ್ ಒಂದಿ एक song से one song ಎತ್ತರಿಕೆ
Okay, that's
का.
from Tulu movie.
Yeah.
Tottil.
పొన్ను ಒಂದಿ. Yeah.
Alvin and music.
Come.
Wait.
Yeah.
పొన్ను వంజి తన లిరిక్స్ కూడా అసలు పొన్ను వంజి ప్రీతి జింజి సెల్ ఫోను ఐటు ಬರ್ಪುಣು ಮೋಕೆದ ರಿಂಗ್ ಟೋನು ಎನ್ನ ಉಡಲುದುಲೈ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಸಾರ ಕಣ್ಣ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಾದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಪುಜಿ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಸಲು
Yeah, but that song has come really good, really good. That video, it has been featured, not featured, but it has been clipped to it,
Yes.
clip to it. That has come like that song, perfect, and that music is also perfect. Your voice, perfect. Kahin dusre kade kahin dusre, what you sketch na? Perfect. Okay. Never have I ever round. Next is my let's get talking. Never have I ever round. So first question, never have I ever round. Like you have done it, yes or no? If you have not done it, no. Okay, so
Yeah.
that let's get talking. That is special now. It is untu illa round. Is untu athava illa. Okay. First question: have you ever had crush on your teacher during your school days?
Any?
Had your crush on your teacher during your school day?
No. Ijji.
Seriously.
Ijji.
Okay, done. Nambuga. Yes, we.
Approval.
Okay, next. Have you ever told a secret that was supposed to keep it as a secret?
Yes.
Yes.
Control.
Okay. Have you ever slept outdoor for an entire night?
Outdoor with friends, I think I have during a school picnic. Yes.
Okay, untu. Done. Okay. Have you ever like Googled your name to see what comes up? Project disappointment na dada barpundu.
Tute. And
Do that. Okay. Done. Okay. Next, have you ever stuck chewing gum under the table, under the chair?
yes.
Oh, okay. Next question. Have you ever lied to your wife?
Oh. Wife. Yeah, lied and later clarified. Magi sat sangla.
My sat sangla. Adigi clarify maltini. Dada lie bandi band. Adigi clarify maltini muli.
Anand.
Okay. Done. Okay. Have you ever forgotten to wish your wife on her birthday? Question mark.
Na 10th udas karta.
Nasib.
Nantu udas karta. So there's no chance to forget.
So who has the chance now? Okay, done. Okay. Nasib. Itu nasib nimar. Next question. Okay. Have you ever been chased by a dog? Bike car
Yes.
Yes. So chased by a dog. Okay. Have you ever danced in a lift?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Have you ever whistled at some random people going? Or random people and they panpuchi. Ite pandir madna parat. Like random people are bracketed.
No, I haven't.
Whistle bartiದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay.
Whistle
Bus whistle bartiದ್ದಾರೆ.
whistle ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಐಕೆ.
ಅಂಚ. Okay. bartiದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Okay. कितली बरी होनी है ने डीजे आ सकते हैं कितनी उड़ाच करते हैं okay so last question
Yeah.
have you ever practiced the song in front of the mirror stage for the before not now I can say on spot before while doing stage shows
Not during stage shows. When I was young, when I was in school competition awe cha pehle mummy used to make me do it. Stage ek veche pehle for that
in front of
initial days where stage fear kadunga ni those are the methods. So
okay
that has helped
so
me
you
now.
have okay so you have done okay done so finally I finished all my this never have I ever round dale choose round dale mujhe rapid fire round pura dale so you have successfully completed
Okay.
तुका एक gift hamper है था okay there's one have you ever got drunk and danced like a crazy human crown prince is asking ಅದು என்ன question ಅದು
ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ದಾಯನ
okay done okay. So I finished all my rounds so you successfully completed so you passed every my round so to a gift hamper you'll be getting one gift hamper so let's get gift hamper will reach you soon okay तो सगल comment section and comments में bro मुझे gift hamper कौन है मुझे gift hamper आने की होना मुझे gift hamper किधर आता है मैं बोलता हूँ question bro don't believe please okay trust
मुझे ये तो guarantee है
yes 100% Bangalore आता बोलता हूँ ना Bangalore हम don't worry okay so you have successfully completed sorry temma start ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ temma okay there is one more question okay do you speak to yourself crown prince is asking
I do lot of times
ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ತೂತು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ತೂಸಿ ಗೋಡೆಡ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ okay ते पाऊंचे डाऊट नाही स्माइल ते सांगले गिफ्ट हॅम्पर पाऊंचे डाऊट म्हणून अले कॉमेंट्स येतात मग ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ तका तुका पहिले सांगला
बेल माणूस
काय झालं तुका तका बेल माणूस ಗೊತ್ತಾ okay even in sleep this is hashtag only release and secret release and he speaks even in sleep
yeah
okay so Prajot we completed all my rounds almost we are in the end of my let's get talking first of all Prajot thank you so much for coming into let's get talking you are like I was waiting from so long and finally Prajot on let's get talking it was a pleasure to have you on this show thank you so much Prajot for coming into let's get talking
thank you for having me baka pelagani apologies पहिले येऊन जाऊ ना मका because of some schedule
yeah
Wait,
yeah, so, and that time you had lots of life going on. Lots of life. Hare gare kale ulunche, lots of life.
Work life was busy. I changed companies and I just जाऊन केलं का त्याचं काम जात्या. So मुझे एक लॅपटॉप अंगा असा, म्युझिकाचा लॅपटॉप अंगा असा आणि एक पर्सनल लॅपटॉप येशी ना. So तीन
काय पुन्हा मुझे यांचे मॅनेजमेंट पर. Okay, so Prajot, before I wind up, there is one last question. Okay, one last question. I almost missed it. Okay, so you've right now you are a music composer. Earlier you were came into this scenario into the music field as a singer. Sayabron albums record kare. You did Woody full on records breaking. After that, right now you did songs after songs, indie songs into other. Now right now you are music composer in Sandalwood. While doing all these things, had you ever thought that let's get talking to Yan Batu as a guest to Kullu Evan? Apple enditare.
Idji. Kirmani, wait, ape morvin ape tagi maka ape tigi mun sintunallo.
Done. Apple finished. This finished. Okay. Okay, so अरे गम्मत like
No, seriously,
okay.
I always say, and live programs करचे आणि maintaining a continuity is not easy. because आम्ही back to life and try केलंय आम्ही rising stars म्हणून सुरू केलंय to interact with new talents. मागीर it's hard to manage the time. The commitment manage करून at the timer you have to go live, you have to get people, you have to arrange talents, तांचे to coordinate करीजे, and you have done it so beautifully. So congratulations आणि cheers तुका. It's not an easy task at all. आणि आमकां पळयतना सुलभ दिसता बट इट्स नॉट आणि प्रिपेअर करून सो तितले रिसर्च करीजे एवरी आर्टिस्टा पटल्याने सो कोंकणी सो करण जोर I told you the Rashtan Vanil तांचे थोडे पंच लाईन्स पुरा गंमत
करेक्ट ताजे पंच लाईन्स मस्तात थोडे पुढे लाईव्ह मध्ये पंच लाईन दिल्यात मग आणि की ऍब्सॉर्ब करून जाते ना ते पंच लाईन्स ओके कॉफी मालते Coffee Malta. Okay.
Dora, thank you so much.
Okay. So Prajot, thank you so much for coming into Let's Get Talking. It was like pleasure having you. Must push really to Let's Get Talking. I like. So thank you so much one more time. While like winding off, if you have one number, we can sing it and wind it off. See that.
जाग जाल्या स्वप्नान मुजा तुका पळयल्या फरा रंगायला भोगणान मुजा तुवें हसल्या फरा आसडेच्या पाळण्यांनी तू धालाय स्वप्नान मुजा मोग दी तू म्हाका मोना मुळबार उबला मोगा सुरंगो काळजा सुथाक मुजा हाती धरगो राखो ना साजोसो अनाथ भुरगो पालवांता रावन म्हाका आपोन भुरगो मोना मुळबार उबला मोगा सुरंगो काळजा सुताक मुजा हाती धरगो राखो ना साजोसो अनाथ भुरगो पालवांता रावन म्हाका आपोन भुरगो.
Yeah, wonderful.
I don't think anybody heard this song, so this it is work in progress असले पंचवार्षिका. So तू सांगी गोत्तु ना, but it is one of the work in progress songs.
reveal let's get talking and OD2 ache launch teaser release te magi te last tak tiche urtagi song nahi na
te suspense te am kai gottu na.
That's perfect. Okay, our last song singer म्हणून सांगले ना रॉयस ने गाणं लिहिलं अर्गा तुका सोम्यागे मी कुंगार गीत. Okay. Airport आपण वरबेकी. Okay. You are the best, Prajot. You have to comments येते. You are the best. Christy De Silva is telling, wow. Hearts येते आता त्याच्या उपरांत. Joy Dash is sending you hearts. Dicosta 789 sending you hearts. Pura hearts. So it was wonderful. If you want to tell anything at the last to the viewers, you can tell the viewers. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Always आता आर्टिस्टान काले केल्यारी आयकनातली कोणी आल्यार काय करू जायना. So you produce songs and there's nobody to listen and appreciate, so nothing works out. So it's all useless. So all credits to our viewers, our audience, whoever listens to our songs, not just mine, everybody's. Konkani Sangeet जाऊंदी, कंचे जाऊंदी, all the music lovers, thank you so much for always being there. And when you guys appreciate it, always pushes us hard to work more and release more stuff. So देव बरे करू तुमका आणि असो सुमोग तुमचो दोरा आणि असल्या मरबिना तसले मनीस आर्टिस्टांक हांगासर हाडून तांची वळख करून दितात, तांचे सांगता उलयतात, तांचे सांगताय तुमचो मोग आसून दी. And like I said, it's not a easy task. So please support all the talents. And during this tough time, it's much needed. So people, there are a lot of artists struggling. आता जे scene गोता तुमका live scene ना live music आणि पुरा. So a lot of everything is digital, and if an artist is asking for your help, your support, in any which way, पैशाचे मात्र नाही, but anything, just listening to their work, sharing it, that costs nothing. So you can do that easily. So तले असले करा, आणि that will definitely make an artist smile.
Yeah, perfectly. Perfectly. Well said, well said. Time, especially doing one more online share, just the share of a song, it boosts millions for artists. Artist आता एक word share म्हणलं word केल्यार अनेकला पावल्यार कितले की artist help जाता मुखार. Okay. Emotional game. One वेगळं सांगते emotional game. Okay. So Prajot, thank you so much for coming into Let's Get Talking. It was absolute gammat talking to you. Thank you so much.
Sure. Khandit, yeah. I have to come again आणि लेवले अशेंत गंमत करूया. बरं आता time pass.
Yes.
It's very nice, and it frees up our minds. बरं आता. It's very relaxing. Yeah. Much for having me here. And अशेंत तुझे program आज 50 येते मग. It should आणि 500 म्हणशील पावंदी. एक वर्ष बरं.
कोण येत म्हणली? मुल भारी बंगड आहे ते
that dedication is very hard. And please continue the good work. And you have been bringing talents from all sectors, not just Konkani, Tulu, Tritano. So it's wonderful.
Thank you so much, Prajot. Thank you so much. Whatever you said, it means a lot to me. That too coming from you. Prajot anade sangajalar, like he has ille podela ani Prajot sangte asa. So thank you Prajot. It means a lot to me coming from you. Thank you.
They were good.
Thank you, Prajot. Take care. Bye. See ya. And we'll meet soon. And all the best for your future projects. The music director zone as plus Udi 2 even jara sa 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಲೇ 6ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ. Bye. See you. Take care.
Thank you, guys. Thanks, Al. Thank you, everyone. Dami jayegi.
Cross रखूंगा प्रोजेक्ट में हम सर नेक्स्ट डायलॉग में ट्रेन बाकी bye see you, take care. Okay, so that was Prajot Desa on Let's Get Talking. It was wonderful having him. So thank you to all my viewers, DJ Ash Manglo, Anil Menonsa, Dolan D'Souza, Crown Prince. Thank you so much. Vanil Vegas, thank you for your superb comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in, Vanil. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Chocolate Baby, thank you. Aston Muscanes, Lon Fernandez, Royston, Crystal De Silva, whoever has joined, Ashwin De Costa, who has joined it. Thank you so much for coming into Let's Get Talking and watching this show. It was wonderful interacting with you people too. So this is me, DJ Mabin, signing off. This was the 50th episode. I'll be back on Saturday with another celebrity, another guest. Till then, take care. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.